everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the Hines Riff. So this one's really fun, kind of trick step to do. It was named for Gregory Hines, H-I-N-E-S, Hines Riff. And Gregory Hines was a tap dancer in history. So this was a way to honor him and his accomplishments. So Hines Riff is super fun to do. You're going to start with the step, scuff, heel. So we're going to start with the right foot, and I'm going to show you side view because it's a little bit hard to show you back view because you don't see much. So you're going to go step, scuff. So just a step, scuff. That's where the riff comes in. You're going to do a switching pullback or a pickup or grab off, but instead of landing you're going to go from your left to your right, and instead of landing on the toe of your right, you're going to actually land on the heel. So you're going to go pick up on the left, heel on the right. And then you're going to end it with either a toe or a step, however you feel most comfortable. So you're going to go step, scuff, pick up, switching from the left to the right heel, and then finish with a toe or a step. So let me see if I can get this here. So you're going to go step, scuff, pick up, switch to the heel, and then toe. Da, 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 da. So the pickup is the fastest part of it. It's also the hardest part because you're going onto that heel. Sometimes that can be a little bit uncomfortable, so be careful there. So again, step, scuff, pick up, dig, and then toe. Let me see if I can show you the other way of this so you can see what's happening on my left foot. So step, scuff, pick up, switch, and then toe. Let me show you the back view here. Step, scuff, pick up, switch, and then toe. So once you get these faster, they'll become more continuous and look a little bit better than when you're doing them slow. And they should go da da ba da 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 da, and one end of two. So they're pretty quick once you get them. So starting on the right foot, yeah, ba da 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 da, one e end of two. Actually, they're not, and one end of two. That would be slow. It would be one e end of two. Yeah. So right foot again. Again. One more time on the right. Ooh, I kind of missed the scuff. We're going to do one more time just for me here on the right side. Yeah, so they're kind of happening at the same time, simultaneously. Okay, left side is not my strong side, so let's go ahead and give it a try here. I'm much better on my right foot. So step, scuff happens on the left. Now you're going to be switching from the right foot spank to the dig on the left. And then toe or step on the right foot. Okay, so again, step, scuff, pick up on the right. Ooh, that wasn't right. I did the heel before I did the spank. Step, scuff. There we go. Good. I'm going to show you from this side as well. So we have step, scuff, pick up, switch, and then a toe. Like I said, left side is my weaker side, so it's not as good. So step, scuff, pick up, switch to a dig, and then toe. There we go. Good. Okay, let's see if I can get this faster here. Maybe. Okay, left foot. Here we go. There we go. That was pretty good. One e end of two, yeah? One more here. Good. So that's a Hines Riff. Super fun to do. Maybe to like throw in a dance. You can even switch them. I've never really done that before, but you could go like right foot into left foot. Ooh, that was not a good one. So right foot into left foot. See if I can get that if I'm holding on to something. Maybe if left side wasn't my weaker side, but you can kind of switch them. Ooh, geez, yeah. Maybe if you put your toe down as well. There we go, kind of. It's hard to switch them, but you should be able to do them. So Hines Riff, like I said, a super fun trick step to do, named after Gregory Hines. So yeah. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion that you would like me to either use in one of my Tuesday combos or a step that you want me to break down, excuse me, please leave those in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.